Well, Jamie, it was a packed house here in Silver Spring with people coming from across the country. One man from Colorado even had these flyers made up of how he looked before and after taking Levaquin. And he's just one of the many stories of people here who say they've been severely and permanently damaged by this class of antibiotics called fluoroquinolones. Now, the FDA called this meeting to discuss the labeling of these drugs, see if they're adequate to fully warn consumers of the risks. Now, the three main side effects discussed today were tendon rupture, permanent nerve damage, and irregular heartbeat. Now, representatives from the drug manufacturers say these drugs have been thoroughly tested and serious side effects are rare.
No new information has come to light pertaining to these three adverse events of interest beyond what's in the current class labeling. The current label reflects our present understanding of the potential risks of fluoroquinolones and guides physicians to make informed treatment decisions.
The people who've taken fluoroquinolones spoke up about their crippling side effects. Many urged the FDA to improve the labeling of these drugs and to reserve them for only the most life-threatening infections. Now, the FDA also identified a new condition that's not on current labeling. It's called fluoroquinolone-assisted disability. Now, that's a combination of several known side effects. Now, the FDA will not make a decision today. The agency is just going to discuss what was said at the meeting and potentially use it for future action. Jamie?
Yeah, that was a packed hearing. So what's going to happen from here, Trang?
Well, there's a number of different things that could happen, Jamie. The FDA could leave the labels as is, or they can urge the drug manufacturers to improve the labels, add more of the risks, and also make the risks more clear. Or they can also urge doctors to not prescribe these particular drugs for certain conditions.
Trang, they're not talking about taking these off the shelves, are they?
No, they're not talking about that, actually, Jamie. These drugs are very powerful, and they do have their medical uses. They're actually used to treat anthrax exposure, the plague, and pneumonia. So they definitely have their use, but they just really want to make sure that people know the risks about these drugs and that they're actually labeled in the correct fashion.